Question: Is it permissible to delay payment of zakah in order to be paid in the month of Ramadan? It is obligatory to pay zakah immediately once one's wealth reaches the nisab and one full Hijri calendar or year has passed since then, because delaying it with no excuse is a sin. But if it is delaying for a legitimate reason, such as not being able to find any poor people to give it to, there is nothing wrong with that. An-Nawawi rahimullah said, it is obligatory to pay zakah immediately once it becomes due, and it is not permissible to delay it. This was stated by Malik, Ahmad and majority of the scholars, because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the glorious Quran, Surah Baqarah, Surah number 2, ayat number 43, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, and give zakah. This command implies that it is to be paid immediately, as recorded by Shrah al-Muhadhab. It says in Fatwa al-Lajna Daima, if the time of paying of zakah is the month of Jamaatul Ula, can we delay it until the month of Ramadan with no excuse or reason? Answer: it is not permissible to delay the payment of zakah after one full year has passed, unless there is a legitimate Shari'i excuse, such as not being able to find any poor people at the time the year is completed, or not being able to get it to them, or because the wealth is not in the hand, or so on. As for delaying it because of the Ramadan, that is not permissible until the time period is short, such as if the year is completed in the latter half of the Shaban. In that case, there is nothing wrong with delaying it until Ramadan. Fatwa by Standing Committee of Academic Research and issuing fatwas: Sheikh bin Baz rahimullah, Abdullah Qaud rahimullah, Abdullah ibn Ghadiyan rahimullah. Sheikh Ibn Uthaymin was asked about the ruling on delaying zakah until Ramadan. He replied, zakah, like other good deeds, if done at the time, that is regarded as having special virtue, that is better. But when zakah becomes due and the year has passed, it becomes obligatory to pay it, and it should not be delayed until Ramadan. If the zakah year ends in Rajab, he should not delay it until Ramadan. Rather, he should pay it in Rajab. If the zakah year ends in Muharram, he should pay it in Muharram and do not delay until Ramadan. But if the zakah year ends in Ramzan, then he should pay it in Ramadan. The same applies if some emergency arises among the Muslims and he wants to bring forward his zakah and give it before the year has passed. There is nothing wrong with that. Majmu' al-Fatawa, Sheikh Ibn Uthaymin rahimullah. Wallahu alam, jazakallah khair.